Hi everyone, this is Raymond. I hope you are doing well. In this video, I'd like to tell you that Redbubble shook things up with a fresh policy for our artist community, that is the tier system. And for sure, I know that it might make some of you feel like pulling your head out. But hold on, the Redbubble tier system is different from other tier systems in some websites like Merch by Amazon or Spreadshirt that limit how many designs you could upload. On the other hand, Redbubble's approach centers on recognizing the effort of the active and featured artists there. So you have to look on the bright side of it and keep it up. And to cut to the chase, Redbubble sets any seller on Redbubble in one of three tier groups: the Redbubble Standard, Redbubble Premium, or Redbubble Pro, according to the activity of the designer and his sales and much more of criteria. And of course, you can find your classification and your tier group in your dashboard of your Redbubble store. And as for Redbubble Standard, you can take it as a starting point on Redbubble, where a flat rate would be deducted from your earnings on a monthly basis. However, the Premium and the Pro tiers, nothing would be deducted from their earnings as motivation and recognizing their efforts. In addition, in the Redbubble Pro tier, you will find a lot of amazing features like higher priority in technical support, ample of opportunities, the fastest approval on Redbubble fan art, and much more. So if you are in the Redbubble Standard tier, you have to upload your designs regularly on a daily basis and add your social links and promote your designs on different social media like Pinterest, Instagram, Twitter, and so on. You have to engage well with other artists like likes, follows. I have to follow the guidelines and the laws of Redbubble. Don't violate anything, don't use any copyrighted material, and you have to make a brand for yourself. And you make sales and reach your threshold. That way your account would be reviewed and either it could be upgraded to the next tier like Premium or Pro, or you stay still, or in rare cases would be suspended if you breach one of the rules and the guidelines. And to know well how Redbubble fee work, so here in this web page, and I will leave the link below in the description box. Here you have to know that the account fee is a flat fee based on your monthly earnings and only applies if you make a sale. Okay, perfect. So let's have a look at this table, fee table. Here you can find this your earnings range and this fee that would be deducted from your earnings. So for example, if your earnings in May, we can say this one, for example, about $47. So here $19 would be deducted from your earnings, as you see. So we can, as you see, and if your earnings fall in this range between 150 and 199, then $46 would be deducted from your earnings, and so on and so forth. And let's have a look at the differences between the three tier groups. Let's go. As you see here, the main difference between these three tier groups, Standard, Premium, and Pro, the same in free shop front, a global audience of millions of customers, full control over your pricing, and you set your margins, and of course you can upload your designs as normal, up to 60 designs a day, customer service support on your behalf, global printing, inclusion in your marketing programs, email support, help center, and blog resources, and much more. And here you can find Redbubble Premium is superior to the standard of the previous tier in some email newsletter, advance notice of sales days, opportunities, advance notification, account fees not applied. This I have said it before. This is the flat rate that's deducted from the monthly earnings of the Redbubble Standard seller. However, the Redbubble Pro tier has a lot of different features, like more feature opportunities, increased marketing, advanced customer and marketplace insights, fast-track licensed fan art approvals, and increased support for content and IP-related issues, or higher priority of technical support. So now you have known the new strategy of Redbubble tier system. and your classification in Redbubble Standard or Redbubble Premium or Redbubble Pro. So you can take this as a motivation for you to keep it up and to be active always in this platform, to make many sales by promoting your designs on social media, to optimize your designs, to get more organic sales from search results, and so on. And of course, you will find below in the description box in the first comment a lot of different resources how to promote your designs professionally on different social media to get more traffic to your Redbubble store, and how to optimize your designs professionally by optimizing title, description, and tags, and much more of these beautiful tips and tricks to be featured artist on Redbubble. So to the end, I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. If you have any question, you can leave in the comment section. See you in the next video.